Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a new battery compatible with the Conga 1290, ready for installation. Start by turning off your Conga 1290 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment using the soft cloth. This will help ensure good connection with the new battery. Now, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connectors. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you are not pulling on any wires. Once the old battery is free, take your new battery and connect it to the same connectors, ensuring a secure fit. Before reassembling the device, it's a good idea to test the new battery. Plug the Conga 1290 back in and turn it on. If it powers up correctly, you're ready to proceed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the battery replacement. Now, let's reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press it down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you set aside earlier. Tighten them securely with your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. After securing the back panel, give your Conga 1290 a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This not only keeps your device looking good, but also helps maintain its functionality. If you prefer not to handle this yourself, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about calls or travel. We'll take care of everything for you. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair is made, ensuring transparency in our services. Finally, once everything is back in place, turn on your Conga 1291 last time to ensure it's functioning properly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.